Secretary in charge ke ICC bapet ke Jala Meghalaya Victor Keshing ulong ka jingleh jong Sorkar MDA ki babon kiliang ikumba ka ong ka party congress ban shimti ka bor synshar house name arjar pulai par house name arjar pusau kin pha byang yu nong bikman na ka party congress che Delhi UMLA ka mausan ramu ba Himalaya M Shangpliang ulong ka jingwan phai ki MLA barim bat ki we de ki pa khmat man yaso biang ba ka party congress ka paushai ba ki pai ba jong ka jala menta kila ai ka jingshania ha ka party uba Shangpliang ulong ka party congress house name arjar arpulai kan wan phai biang shakabor namar ka ne ka sarkar bamenta kala phel bat ki babon kiliang khamta me ha ka bai dei ba ki nong rap bat ki we pan
AICC sees Meghalaya as a positive sign. AICC looks at Meghalaya and says, 2023, we have a government here. Yes, it is because we have very good candidates, we have very good MLAs, our performance in the assembly is very good. All those things are there. Our women representatives are tremendous. But the other side, the flip side is, look at the government. It's like as though they're coming and giving it to us, please take over, please take over, please take over. Look at, like, I can't understand this. How can a government be so, I don't know, let me not use bad words, okay, over here, okay, yeah. It's like you're saying, please take over now. So the Congress party, because of our work, but at the same time, a certain portion by default also, we will get a government in 2023. But now here's the catch. It depends on us. It depends on us. Each one of us will have to play a role. You are not, no matter who you are, you're an MLA, you have a role. You're an MDC, you have a role. You're a party functionary, you have a role. You have Bar James over here, he's the Rock of Gibraltar of the Meghalaya PCC. He has a role, Deborah has a role. Everyone, each one of us will have a role. And we'll have to perform. We'll have to work together. The core word now is unity. The most important word now that we have to use is unity. Unity amongst us, unity between us, unity for all of us. That is the way forward, and I feel that we will do a tremendous job.
Because of our performance in the last 3 years, and because of the public response that the MLAs and the MDCs are showing to the people, that we have people who are joining the party, people who have left us, people have joined back. We welcome PNCM. But Penshine NCM was an MLA from Sorkar. I defeated him. It was not an easy battle to defeat Penshine because he was a sitting MLA. He left the party. There was misunderstanding. He brought out a new party called the PDF. He left the PDF. Now he is joined back to the Congress. What does that indicate? Kaya kapanpaw, nakaba imi iba PNCM, naka PDF, sipor haka NPP, but mata irumbiang sa Congress, kapanpaw iyo, kapanpaw, baki paiba, kinong yalam, kila penii ya kata ke jingshania hangat dengan parti jong-jongi ke parti Congress. Lumda kota malay kini kiran ba kinwan phai sa ke parti Congress tu. Kim jen da jet da ke parti banlay hangdo baki snoto baki yo baki job ban long ha ka Sorkar ban yo thau Sorkar. You can imagine if we can bring people like PNCM, who's got such a big vote share in Mausagram, his vote shares, my vote shares, I must say I'm already a winner. Likewise, I'm just giving an example to you. Kumjo, hiru waro pinele hang ha ki jaka la jom. Kidon ki jaka, hibale se ki briu, kila kwa ban rumno. I'm in sympathy. Pinyo ay ka vote share jom ki shafike. Pinyo ban pendrung ya kito kamot ka vote jom ki kelawan ban pi. And that is how we will strategize for the forthcoming elections. I foresee that the Congress will form the government in 2023. Yes, it will happen. It's just 18 months away, my dear friends. Stang khat prabanai nginya poi shaka election joga arpo arpulai. Ngadai ban ong ba pide ban long ki bal ban khai. Don't wait for the last moment. Please start working. And while you work, kindly see that you take everybody together. Do not leave one or two outside. Because each and every individual is important for us.